Hey guys, it's the Regular Dane. So what am I working on today on this Eon laser? We got this old weathered board. It's gonna look pretty cool. Kind of looks coastal and beachy and looks like driftwood, but it's just a old plank that has been weathered, so it's gonna look pretty cool once we burn this. This is the design that we're making right now. Just making a simple sign. So it's gonna be pretty simple. This is what it's gonna look like. So I've got all my settings in here. Here's my settings for my fill. I'm actually going to take the speed down just a little bit here. 300. Now this is actually a test piece because I haven't run anything on this type of wood before. And if we hit the preview button right here, it's showing that it's going to be 19 minutes to burn this sign. This sign is pretty big, so it's 16 inches. Actually, it's bigger than that. Let's see. It's 17 inches by 5 inches tall. I'm going to line it up with the lines that are in the bed itself. Go all the way down to autofocus and enter. And it's giving me an autofocus adjustment. Defocus just a little bit. About right there. About right there. 8.2. Looks like it's good to go. Let's send it. There it is right there. Okay, looks like it is framed pretty good. There we go. Now I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay, got it all masked. Now hit the blower. Was out of the way, and it looks like the Engrave went pretty good. Could have gone a little bit lighter, but this is a test, so anyway. The first Engrave didn't go quite as planned, so I did it again. And it actually turned out really cool, so it actually looks a lot more distressed because it was such a light Engrave. Once you engrave that, then just take a piece of sandpaper and just lightly take off any charring or anything else like that, and it gives it a nice kind of washed out look. But anyway, that's the final product. Anyway, hope this video helped on how to make just a simple sign. If you want to learn more about lasers, check the link below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.